Hi, my name's Ash, and I'm going to show you how you can cancel an appointment online to avoid long wait times on the phone. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account by selecting Register Now. If you've already created an account, log in by putting your email address and password. You select Remember Me. This will save your details for future logins. If you don't remember your password, select Forgot Password, and this will email you through instructions on how to change it. Once you log in, you can see your appointments. Select the green downwards arrow and select the white cross, and this will cancel your appointment. When you cancel your appointments, give a brief reason why you're cancelling and select Cancel Appointment. Your appointment is now successfully cancelled. You can either book another appointment or select Close. If you have any questions or queries, please contact us at reception on 9629 1001.